white noise as opposed to black. What is that? The tinnitus in my head or my ears? The drum cycle and buzz of the electric heater, competing with the air purifier in more ways than one. I think I hear voices in the distance, so I turn them all off. The heater, the purifier, the blood. But I can't hear anything. Not the voices anyway. Just the noise in my head or my ears. The tinnitus thing. Apparently white noise can stop that. But where do you get that? At the local shop or online? Should I combine my hunt and visit the internet cafe? It's late. The cafe is shut. So I turn the heater back on. It's cold. The purifier to cancel out the dust from the heater fan. And there it is again. The voices, they never stop.